I'm going to show you how to make a timeline and also how to share it with your partner so you can both work on it together at the same time. Like with anything that we do in our class, we want to start in our Google Drive in our 4th grade folder. Oops, sorry, I will go back to that. So your 4th grade folder, into the subject area, which is social studies. I want to click new drawing. So I'll go over here to more, find drawing. And I need to put my title in first. And since I am working with a partner, I have to make sure that both of our names are listed here. And you can just do last names so that I can see them both when it's submitted. So for this, I'm going to make Mr. Tim my partner. So I'll have that in there. I want to make sure I share it with my partner. Now, you don't both need to do it. Just one person needs to share it with their partner. It's already, since it's in your 4th grade folder, it's already shared to me. You don't need to share it with me. So make sure you put your partner's name and make sure it says can edit, because we want you and your partner to be able to work on it together at the same time. Once it's sent, then your partner can open it themselves. So Mr. Tim will be able to get on his device and open this timeline as well. If you'd like to change the background color, you can. I just hit right click. You can pick any color you want as long as you make sure you can read the text that's in there. Start with the title. You can either insert a text box or you can hit the icon that says text box. And you can pick whichever title you'd like. Make sure that you center it, make it bigger if you want. You can change the font. And then here's where you're going to draw your timeline. You're going to click to this icon with a line. And there's lines, there's arrows, lots of different ways you can use it. Probably you'll just need a line and draw it straight across. Oops. Try to make it straight. And hopefully this time it'll work because it's a single line. Before I think there was a double line there. Yep. And now you are going to have where you're going to draw your lines to include the dates. I would recommend doing alternating between above the line and below the line. And I believe this assignment has exactly 5 events, so I will only need 5 lines. So I'll alternate going above the line for the first event, below the line for the second, till I have 5 lines. That one's a little crooked. I can fix that just by pressing the back arrow. Now for all of your events, that's where I'm going to use the text box feature again. And this is where you can write in your event that you're going to put in. So for example, my first one was and you can keep going. I'm not going to type all of that in there. And that is how you would create your timeline.